Hello dear superstars, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I made over 50,000 naira using this website that I'm about to show you right now. Please, I put in my very much time in making these videos. Please help this video go viral. Please just click on the like button to like this video. And if you're new to the channel or you just came across this channel right now, please click that red subscribe button to subscribe and like this video. Please, it is very important to my channel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then if you have any question, please leave it down there in the comment section. Please, if you have done that, I really appreciate. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I just came across this platform, and though I was introduced by it by my friends on Facebook, so the platform is really paying, and that's why I want to introduce this platform to you in today's video. Okay, so the name of this platform is called Jumia Code. Most of you have heard about it, while most of you haven't heard about it. Okay, as you can see it right here, this is Jumia Code. It's an official program of the Jumia, and most of you know what is Jumia. If you're from Nigeria, you might have heard what Jumia is all about. Jumia is a shipping company. So how do you earn money? So this is the way you earn money using this platform. The first one is to get registered. After you've gotten registered, you advertise. After you've advertised, you earn. But wait, do not click out of this video. This advertisement, I'm going to be showing you a trick in this video that you can use in getting many people. And the more you get people, the more you earn so much money. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I hope this is the way you're going to be earning your money, and you're going to be earning it hugely. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click on this part where it says sign in. Okay, click on this part where it says sign in up right here. So once you click on that part where it says sign in, it's going to bring you up to sign up. You're going to click on the part where it says sign up. So once you click on the part where it says sign up, it's going to bring you up to something like this, whereby you're going to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, your password, then select your country. Click on this part. There's going to bring for you all the countries that are available for this, and then put in your phone number, and then you're done. Then you click on this agree with terms and conditions, and then get registered. Now once you're registered, you're going to send you a link to your email to activate your account. Now to activate your account is actually free. Now once you click on the link to your email, it's going to bring you up to the login section just like this. Okay, so I created a new account just like this. Now I'm about to sign in, so let me click on the part where it says sign in. Okay, let me click on the part where it says sign in. Okay, so once you have signed it, this is what is going to be showing to you. As you can see, this is a new account, and this is the amount I've earned so far on this account. I have 00 naira because this is actually a new account. Okay, so if you have to click on this 3 tab up right there, it's going to bring you up to something like this. Now I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step tutorial. Okay, now you're going to click on advertising. Once you click on advertising, you're going to see where it says custom link up right here. Okay, so you're going to be seeing where they say custom link. So once you click on that part where it says custom link, is going to bring you up to somewhere like this. Now what you are just doing is just for you to tell someone to buy a product using your link, and once that person uses your link to buy that product, you get paid instantly. That moment you get paid. Now why I'm making this video, because this is 1st of September, and during this period people will love to purchase products. Like people will love to buy Christmas clothes, people will love to buy all those stuff for the New Year Eve, all this Christmas. People will love to buy it. Now this is a very great opportunity for you to make huge money online. That's why I need you to follow this video step by step, because this month period people will love to purchase products. Now what you just have to do is just to get your link, send it to them, tell them to purchase the product using your link, and when they purchase the product using your link, you get paid instantly. Now you're going to click on this part where it says Jumia e-commerce. So once you click on that part where it says Jumia e-commerce, it's going to bring you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Okay, if you're my fan and you're watching from Kenya, you're going to click on Kenya. If you're watching from Egypt, click on Egypt. If you're from Morocco, Ghana, just like that. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. Okay, so once I click on Nigeria, it's going to bring me up to somewhere like this. Now it says advertise. As you can see, in this part you're going to be creating your link. Yes, in this part is where you're going to create your link that once you send it to that your friend or that person you intend that he or her should use your link to purchase the product, here is where you're going to create the link. Okay, so in this part it says insert the web URL. For example, if you go to jumia.com, okay, so let's say that you have gone to jumia.com and you search for a particular product. Maybe you search for iPhone 11. Now if you can notice, it's going to be showing you jumia.com iPhone 11. That's what is going to be showing you in this other top part. Now what you just have to do is just to copy it from this top part. Once you copy it, you're going to paste it in this web URL. That's what this web URL is talking about. They gave an order. It says please insert a valid and complete web page URL from Nigeria. Now this sub affiliate ID, for example, if you have any other affiliate marketing ID, you can put it over here. Then if you have a channel, you can put it over here. Then tracking tag, all these ones are not that necessary, but the main ones are your channel, your sub affiliate ID. If you have any other affiliate ID, you can add it over here, and then your web page URL. Then after that, it's gonna bring you up to a tab. Okay, let me just take for instance www. Okay, sorry. So let me just take for instance www.jumia. Okay, so .jumia. I'm gonna bring you up this down. .jumia.com, and I'm gonna be putting a slash and then iPhone 11. Okay. So let me take my sub affiliate ID. Let me just take it as this. This is not my sub affiliate ID, but I'm just using it as an example. Let me say affiliate course.com. Okay, then let me put my channel as Glory. Okay, let me just add Legit Hustle TV. Now as you can see, it's showing me that please insert a valid web URL. So as I told you guys, this is not a valid web URL because this is not actually from Jumia. So I just want to give you guys, for instance, you're going to go to Jumia and then not search for iPhone 11. There will be a tab that's going to be showing up right here in this other part. There is going to be a web URL. What you just have to do is just to copy that web URL and paste it over here. Then generate your link. Once you have generated your link, now start sharing your link to other people. And once they use your link to purchase a product, you get paid instantly. Now your reports are your invoices, like everything you have made so far. Then if you have any question, you can also contact them if you have any question. And then if you need like brief introduction to this, you can check on their facts. Okay, you can check on that so that you can get more understanding about the website. So this is the platform that I used to make over 50k in just 2 days, because I use this because many people will love to purchase product, especially trending products. So I just generated my link, send it over to them, and they use my link to purchase the product, and I get paid a 50% commission. That was just actually what Jumia is doing right now. So take advantage of this service and make huge money after it. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.